it's Morgan here at Ravenox, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an Easter egg rope decoration. It's super easy and doesn't require that much time at all. All you need is a little bit of Ravenox twisted cotton rope, a glue gun and some glue sticks, an Easter egg, some scissors, and some gloves if you're afraid to get the glue on your hands. Okay, let's get started. First, take the ends of your rope and put a little drop of glue on there to hold everything in place. Then, put a big dollop of glue right on the top of your egg. Put the top of the rope on top of your egg and hold down for 10 seconds. This allows the glue to harden and cool down, and it will keep the rope in place as we wind it around the egg. Then, when you feel like it's secure, take your glue gun and start adding a couple drops of glue around your egg, and then start wrapping the rope. As you wrap the rope, make sure you add drops of glue with each layer. Since my egg is smaller, I decided to use our 3/8 aqua twisted cotton rope. But you can use anything from 1/4 all the way up to 5/8, depending on the size of your egg. Take your time during this process because it's easy, but it can get messy if you don't take your time. As you wrap the rope around, make sure you keep it very tight. If your rope is too loose, then it won't give you the intended look at the very end. If you get to the middle of the egg and you feel like it's a little difficult to keep on turning it this way, you can turn the egg on its side and continue the process. Just be careful not to smear the glue. As I near the bottom of the egg, I have started to add a little more glue just to make sure it holds everything nice and secure just the way I want. This is the last wrap I'm going to do where I add the glue first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the rest of the rope around the bottom without any glue so I can figure out exactly how much rope I need left. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the very end of it off. I'm going to immediately add add some glue to the end of my rope to hold everything together. And then I'm going to add a big dollop of glue in the middle and some drops around the bottom. And I'm going to finish my rope egg the same way I started it, by wrapping it around the bottom and holding it in place for about 10 seconds to ensure that the glue hardens and cools and the rope fastens to the egg. Okay. And voila! One perfect Easter egg rope decoration.